Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a calendar on Notion in 2023. Of course, Notion is a powerful productivity tool that allows you to create and organize various types of content. Creating a calendar on Notion can help you stay organized and manage your schedules and of course track important dates and events. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the steps or the process of creating your calendar in Notion in 2023. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section, simply type notion.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, they'll take you to the home screen or main screen. From there, make sure to go and log in into your account if you have one, and make sure if you don't have an account to go and create your account. Of course, click on get started to sign up or register and follow the prompts to create your account if you don't know how. It's going to be pretty simple, don't worry. You can even go and create your account with a Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating your account. As an example, same will be in login. Once you do so, you'll find yourself at this getting started page. As you can see, getting started in Notion. Here you'll be able to click anywhere and just start typing. As you can see, you can go and do whatever you want here. So of course, even they will give you a lot of options, so you can do a lot here. So what we need, of course, we can go here and to different pages, example, or I can go and add a new page. For us, we'll have to go, of course, and create a new page where you want to create your calendar, and you can do this by clicking at this plus button, as you can see here, at the new page. Once you click on it, as you can see, this page will be entitled. So for us, if we want to create a calendar, we will have to go and add a table. So maybe as example, and that's what I was looking for. So as an example, I'm just going to name it test. And of course, here we are going to create a table. So click on table, and as you can see, we can simply go here as an example, click on this new, and as you can see here, we can go and add a lot of tables. Like as an example, we're going to create a calendar for July, for September, for December, for next year as an example. So of course we can go and even right click on them and delete if you want to. You can even go and duplicate them, so you'll be able to do a lot of stuff. So let me just leave just one, as you can see here. So once we created our table, it's time of course to customize our table. So of course in the table you can customize its column to represent different aspects of your calendar entries. For example, you can have columns for date, events for and task name, time, location, and notes. And of course you can click on each cell on the table to enter relevant information for each calendar. So as you can see, there is no data source here, as you can see. So you can click at select the data source. So here you can do, as an example, task list, recipes, travel plans, journal, reading list, or click on new database. And as you can see here, this will give you this page. And as you can see here in this new, you can go look for other templates as an example, and you can give it a name as an example, and you can click and do here whatever you want. So as an example, this we have here the columns. We can make it smaller, we can make it bigger, we can go and add like another one as an example. As you can see, we can add the new lines and even new columns. So maybe we're going to put it to text. We can add more than new ones. So here as an example, I'm just going to put like why not, let's just do dates or something like that. Hit the enter button, and as you can see here we have the dates. We can even go and give it an icon. I don't know, let's just give it this at icon, why not. Here let's just do as an example tasks, and this icon should be like, let's look for something for task. There is nothing for task, so or let's do something for goal as an example, or targets. So yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Maybe this or this. So as you can see, let's even just remove those as an example if we don't want to. So let's just delete this. And as you can see, let's see here as an example, and the date of 07 and July, or the 7th of July in 2023. Of course, we would like to, as an example, write or let's just do go shopping. And of course, you can do the same on other stuff. So of course, then you'll be able to change the format and style of the calendar. Then you'll be able to add additional functionalities. An example, like to make table resemble or calendar. You can adjust like formatting and style on table, and a lot of other stuff. As example, of course, you can even go and hit the Control Z if you'd like just created something wrong or do something wrong. You can always hit the Control Z button, and this Control Z. This Control Z, if you like deleted something by mistake, it will always like get you back to where you were or something like that. So of course you can, as I said, add additional functionalities, share and collaborate on the calendar. You can even synchronize with external calendars, example, if you want to, maybe, and a lot of other stuff. So just now delete our calendars example and see what else can we do on this Notion. So other than that, of course, you'll be able to do, as an example, various stuffs like creating other things. Example here, if we click on add page, we'll be able to import some data from somewhere in your PC. You can go and check some templates here. We'll be able to create tables, board, timelines, calendars. If you click on more, we'll be able, as you can see, find lists and galleries, calendar here, and a lot of other stuff. So if you click on anything, you'll be able to of course, go and add more than one if you want to. You'll be able to delete them if you want to. You'll be able to give it a database. So, and even as you can see, we have even this option of creating the calendar like manually or automatically with a Notion. We don't even use like, or we don't even need to go and create a table here as an example and use a database for it, or just go something that fails manually. There is the option of table or calendar. As you can see here, if we click on add page and click on more, we'll find even calendar here. So let me just delete this, and as you can see here, you will be able to create your calendar in Notion without any problems, of course. And as I said, once you fill it with your information, as an example, so click on this plus button, you'll be able to give it a comment, give it some tags, as you can see. So let me just do this as an example and get out, and as you can see, you will be able to see everything about it, and as you can see, you can give it a title, as an example, test. I'm just going to, let's like that. So here you'll find everything in your calendar. As I said, you'll be able to go and duplicate it if you want to, copy the link to other people to view it, and a lot of other stuff that you can go and check yourself, check it by yourself. If you familiarize yourself with Notion, that will be pretty easy for you. So of course, if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully know how to create a calendar on Notion in 2023. Of course, creating a calendar in Notion in 2023 is a great way to stay organized and manage your schedule effectively. And of course, by following these steps, you can create like a customized calendar with tables if you want to in Notion, or simply go and create your calendar automatically with Notion. And of course, tailor it to your need and even synchronize it with like external calendars application if you want to. You'll be able, as I said, and you can even start using Notion calendar features and experience, which is gonna let you seamlessly organize everything for you and approach to managing your time and events very effectively. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.